Hello everybody, this is Gamalier, broker realtor with Sturgis Realty Group.
And I'm Alan Rios, I'm the Realtor with Sturgis Realty Group here in Metro Atlanta.
Today we have an excellent topic for you guys. They want to talk about what's going on as far as real estate, the trends, and market update here in the Atlanta metro area.
Yeah, real estate's always a big topic. People are always wondering, is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Well, we're going to be talking about what is going on in the real estate market today here in Metro Atlanta. We'll compare that to last year and take a look at how we're doing compared to last summer. And then we'll also forecast what we think will happen here in the Metro Atlanta area down the road.
So a lot of information for you, and we're going to get it started. Number one factor we have to look at when we're talking about updating what's going on in the market is definitely what's the price. In this case, we talk about the median price of a home in this area.
Yeah, so everybody wants to know what is the median price here in Metro Atlanta. Well, today's median price is right around $421,750, right? We compare that to last year. The median price was right around $365,000 last summer. So that's a big jump when you look at that. That's a 9% increase in home value in just 1 year.
And when you think about your savings and all the people that have been putting all that money on saving, try to save money and try to reinvest that money looking where to put it, obviously you see this was a gain of 9% in 1 year. If you wanted to buy this home to occupy for us, an owner occupant for you to live, or if you were an investor looking to invest, you would have made over $50,000 on 9% return.
Yeah, it just shows you real estate is a great investment. We're going to be talking about another factor, right? When we talk about homes, we talk about supply of homes on the market, Gamalier, right? Typically, a buyer's market or seller's market varies depending on the amount of homes on the market. So currently we are in a seller's market. We have right around 2 months supply of homes today.
Yes.
Compare that to last summer where we only had about a month's supply. I mean, big jump. So we doubled the amount of homes when you think about it.
Definitely, when you talk about supply, that's an important factor, like you mentioned, Alan. And obviously, everybody talks about that, like you mentioned.
Sure.
Everybody said the buying market is the selling market. Where are we going to buy a market? I'm going to wait until I get to that buying market. But obviously, the factor is that we have not seen a buying market since 2012. The last time that we see a 6 month in supply. So definitely, we're still expecting, obviously, the market to continue to get more expensive, so don't wait too long. But another factor that we also look at, another factor also that is very important when we're talking about what's going on in the market is days on the market. And days on the market, currently we're looking at 10 days versus last year, we're looking at 5 to 6 days. Or even less.
I mean, some of the homes were going off the market in 24 hours or less,
Yes.
It was a year that we saw a lot of multiple bids, multiple offers on homes that were flying off the market pretty quickly. So we're seeing that trend change a bit now. We're seeing homes stay on the market, but we're also adding more homes on the market. And that leads us to the amount of homes for sale, Gamalier. We've seen an increase in that too.
Yeah, but the funny part about this whole thing is that even though we're going to start seeing more inventory in the market, so you get to choose more, but we're still seeing an increase of prices moving forward in the future, anywhere between 8 to 9%. So houses will be getting more expensive.
For sure. All right, let's take a look at the homes for sale that are currently on the market. Today, we have right around 12,006 homes that are up for sale in the market. Compare that to last year, Gamalier, right around 8,995. So we've seen an uptick in the amount of homes now coming on the market for sale. So we're seeing that slow transition now to where we're seeing, as we mentioned, supply of homes are right around 2 months. And we're noticing the days on the market, right? That's been increasing as well.
So obviously, we keep seeing that, people are waiting and buyers say, well, I tried to buy last year, I couldn't buy because there was so much competition in the market. There's uncertainty in the market, interest rate going up and down. Obviously, interest rate before, went up to almost in the 6s, and now it went down again. Currently, as of today, this video, we're around 5.1. So definitely interest rates are still low compared to what they've been in years. And we have other videos that we talked about interest rate inflation. So take a look at those videos also.
Yeah, so when we look at the real estate market as a whole, we're noticing it's slowly transitioning to a buyer's market, right? We've been in a seller's market for so long, and we still are in a seller's market, so don't get us wrong on that. But the trend is going towards more supply, more homes on the market. We're starting to see prices that continue to increase, but we do expect the trend to appreciate slower as we go through time with the amount of homes coming on the market. But it's still a great city to buy, Gamalier.
It is. And obviously another important factor that you know that in Atlanta, 50% of people who live in Atlanta own their home. 50% of people are currently renting.
I know, that is a pretty incredible number. And the reason for that, we have a lot of millennials that come to Atlanta because of jobs, right?
Yes.
We've got a great economy for jobs here. We've got great healthcare positions, positions in tech. I mean, those are highly sought after jobs, so they attract a lot of millennials. And the affordability factor for the most part, right? When you compare it to other major cities, we are relatively affordable compared to New York, Chicago, LA, San Francisco.
Definitely. And Alan, you know, and since 2012, we have seen an increasement of 25% of population growth in Atlanta.
I've seen it, Gamalier.
Yes.
And we deal with it when we're driving around with the traffic and everything like that. And you know that 25% increase in the last 12 years, dating back to 2010, that equates to about 500 people every day moving to Metro Atlanta, Gamalier. So take that number into consideration. That shows you why the Atlanta real estate market is still a great market to invest.
And you know, it also shows you how we're going to continue growing. And obviously, even though a lot of the cities around may see other markets change, but here in Atlanta, we have a very strong market, so we continue to grow. The demand continues. Like we mentioned, there will be more inventory in the market, but prices are going to be, you're going to buy for a higher price. So if you've been holding on buying, definitely go ahead. I would advise you to go ahead and find the property that you love and get that on the contract, because those prices are only going to get more expensive, and most likely the way interest rates are looking, they're also going to continue to go up.
Yeah, so take that into consideration. All right, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below our video. We'll gladly answer them for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the notification bell, and please pass on our videos to your family and friends as well.
Thank you for watching again. Have a great day.